Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the thrilling battle of Roku OS versus Google TV. Roku offers a clean, grid-style menu that is both simple and fast, perfect for people who actually want to watch TV instead of just admiring the interface. Meanwhile, Google TV serves up a personalized feed with recommendations, because apparently, we all need an algorithm to tell us what we like. Roku shines with thousands of channels and plenty of free content via the Roku channel, which is great for anyone whose wallet is feeling a bit thin these days. Google TV takes a different route, curating shows and movies across all your various applications into one big, organized pile. When it comes to talking to your tech, Roku offers a basic voice search that gets the job done without any backtalk. Google TV, however, integrates Google Assistant for advanced voice control and smart home features, just in case you want your television to have more control over your house than you do. Roku is the reliable workhorse, running smoothly even on budget devices that look like they belong in a museum. Google TV is a bit heavier and more demanding, usually found on premium TVs and Chromecasts where it has the extra muscle to move. So, the choice is yours. Pick Roku OS if you value simplicity and free streaming, or choose Google TV if you want deep personalization and a TV that doubles as a smart home overlord. Both are solid choices, but the right one depends on your specific needs and how much time you want to spend scrolling through menus before actually picking a movie. That concludes our Roku versus Google TV comparison.